Before I now gave us a confessional statement that it belongs to the gay society and they are having a ceremony at one hotel called Tibulus Hotel along Refinery Road here in Ekpa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nono Obi, and today is Uncut with Nono Obi, where we dissect things that are happening around the world, but especially in today's video we're talking about Nigeria, and it's not other than the cross-dressing / gay community in Nigeria. So guys, the fact is that Nigeria has not understood that we don't practice that.
History repeated itself. Hey darling, it's your girl James Brown, the Queen of African Duchess of London. So I've seen the news about what is going on, and I'm really sad. I'm still trying to understand what is going on, because the first and foremost, who should I blame? You will not say Nigeria no like people or like Ona how Gary Mike carry tents, how they do party, how they do Igbola, they not carry on and now they say you're right. Yes, you not do anything wrong, but the country you are says you are doing something wrong, so you will not do such a thing. You will not do such a thing. You will be smart, and they say when you're in Rome, act like Rome.
See guys, this video is not to bash you on whatever personality you have decided to be. If you have decided to be a gay or a cross-dresser or anything, that is your decision. It's not about this video. I'm talking specifically for Nigerians, okay? In Nigerian country, if you don't know, it's not allowed to come off and be proudly saying that you're a gay or a cross-dresser, stuff like that. And in as much as we have been trying to manage it that way, some people have decided to take it to another level, and trust me, it's little by little they will start coming out in full. I'll start having that full right in Nigeria, and that is what Nigerian government does not want. Okay, this is not US or some other country where it is allowed. I even heard in US now they're trying to, like, where they are building restaurants or where they're building outdoor things, and they're trying to like also create restroom for transgenders. In Nigeria, it's not like that. So right now Nigeria is on fire because a group of boys were caught in Delta State of Nigeria doing a night wedding. So apparently somebody actually sent this message to police around Delta Asaba area, telling them of what is going on in this area. And not only was this illicit going on, but also they were practicing some things that were very bad. You know, according to the video, according to the police giving the report to everyone, because some people were saying leave them to live their life, this is not the problem of Nigeria. Mind you, it's not the problem of Nigeria, but if we leave it to go on and on, it becomes a problem of Nigeria. Sorry, I need to cut a little bit. I see people in the comment section, girls, mothers to be, or mothers, like girls, saying leave them, blah 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 blah. I'm not on the notion of leave anybody. Yes, I am from Nigeria. See, if we leave it to linger, we have children, and trust me, nobody will want their child to grow up and tell them that I'm a girl, I don't want to be a girl, I want to be a guy. I'm a guy, I don't want to be a guy, I want to be a girl. No parents love that. Forget, no matter how you say you love your child or you're going to tolerate anything your child says that he or she want to be, when the game is on, you wouldn't like it. No, you wouldn't. Okay, because as soon as you give birth to that child, you're already envisaging this very beautiful bright future for the child. If it's a guy, you're already envisaging or dreaming of this young handsome guy with his family and kids. When you were giving birth to this child, when this child came out, you were never thinking about he's gonna grow up and decide to be a girl. No. The same thing with the girl. When this girl was growing up, you are thinking about getting married to a prince or a prince, you know, fairy tale wedding, give birth to grandchildren, yeah, you come and carry, and along the line, and this girl tells you, I'm no longer a girl, I'm a guy. So that is why I said no parent likes that at first instant of that news. Forget about the people saying, yes, I accepted it, blah 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 blah. At their quiet moment, they cry. People don't tell what they're going people don't tell what they're going through. Okay, quiet moment they cry. So let's just be fact and be realistic and tell ourselves the truth. Okay, back to what I'm saying. So these police people are saying that they found different drugs there, codeine, condoms, different things there. So they were doing so many other things. So this group of guys were carried along with other people that thought, one of the girls there said that she thought it was a pageant, she thought it was a show or something that she didn't really know. So she herself was also carried along with the whole shit that was happening at that moment. I'm going to play a few videos for you right now so you can actually watch and get what I'm saying.
Who's the bride and who's the groom?
This is the bride.
Who is the bride?
This is the groom.
Easy. It's your microphone. Bend down some more now, your hand.
I mean, I came for an event in Warri here for a fashion show. And luckily to me, while I was going for an event, while dressed up, I wanted to perform on stage for a modeling event. On my way going to the event, some police people attacked me and took me here to the police station.
Are you a male or a female?
I'm a
So guys, now that you have seen what I'm trying to tell you, also Bobrisky, which is known as I don't know what she's known as, but she's aka Bobrisky in Nigeria, the most popular, is it cross-dresser or gay, or I don't even know what to call him at the moment. He came up also to, you know, debunk so many things, like trying to advise these guys that here is Nigeria, these things are not allowed in Nigeria, you should respect Nigerian law. She said it, and she got a lot of bash from some Nigerian international man who was saying that he's ashamed of him because of what he said. I'm going to put it up here so you guys will see what Bobrisky actually wrote, that internet wanted to eat her up. And also after then, another cross-dresser or gay, whatever you may call it, also came up. His name is James Brown. James Brown also came up and said a few other things that he said, trying to tell them that this is Nigeria. If you want to get married, you should move to another country. These things are not allowed in Nigeria, which they were also bashed.
History repeated itself. Hey darling, it's your girl James Brown, the Queen of Africa, Duchess of London. So I've seen the news about what is going on, and I'm really sad. I'm still trying to understand what is going on, because the first and foremost, who should I blame? You not say Nigeria no like people like Ona how carry Mike, how carry tents, how they do party, how they do Igbola, they not carry on and now all they say you're right. Yes, you not do anything wrong, but the country you are says you are doing something wrong, so you will not do such a thing. You will not do such a thing. You will be smart. And they say when you're in Rome, act like Rome. Ask yourself. I'm so sorry this happened, but if you want to express yourself, go to Rome, London, Italy, US, express yourself. There's a limitation of expression in Nigeria, so follow the limitation, and please let's also use our rights in this Nigeria, because it seems that we do not even use our rights, because what is stated in the law is stated if you're caught in the act, but the way it seems they are not caught in the act. The video I'm seeing is they are caught on dress. Yes, it's got a drag show. Who knows? I'm just telling you, because I mean, we need to stay united. We are Nigeria. We are one. Because you don't know if your son can be there tomorrow. I am saying comment section. You are talking as if you don't even know your future. What if you are the one there next tomorrow? So shut up. Do not talk as if these people can make mistakes. So forgive, forget. Let's move on.
But the thing is that you see person they do something, you follow and go they do. Now you won't do past the person. I don't know how to actually put it. The thing is that this thing, for crying out loud, is not allowed in Nigeria. Can we just respect that? I know Nigeria is a shitty country. I know.
So I was just going through Instagram and I saw what's going on. Like, they arrested some gay people because of what they did and, stuff. So I was like, come on, let's wake up. Let's stop playing with everything happening in this country. The insecurity, price of fuel, dollar price, and everything. Is this what the inspectors or the IP, this is what you can get?
Going to go and arrest Homo. Is that what you people are working? Eh? Let's dig to the problem of this country and let's carry our eyes on things that don't matter. Eh? With everything happening, let's do something. You go the arrest Homo for what? Eh? Now your money they carry, go they do what they do. Please, so let's wake up. This is a very sad country. Eh? Very, very sad. It's very, very sad. Ooh, Jesus. Ah, here? I beg you. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
All right, so jokes apart, this is very sad because with everything happening in this country, this is not what we have to build our energy in doing. This is not right.
Nigeria is working. I know Nigeria is deflating, whatever you want to say, but you see this particular one, I'm fully in support of them. Because when they grow in number and when they stay showing themselves outside in numbers like this, our children will grow up and they might decide that this is also a lifestyle. So the more we curtail them in Nigeria, the more we make their numbers minimum in Nigeria. That is the way our children won't see most of them or won't know that most of these things are real. I saw one video on the internet in the US. They were going to a mall, a guy dressed like a girl, and this little girl growing was like, she was amazed, like, Mom, why is she dressing like this? She's living in the US, but children are very innocent. She saw it, she knew it was wrong. This is supposed to be a guy, but he is practically dressing like a woman, and she didn't even, if it was an adult, she just look and remove her. She stood and she was looking like, what is wrong with you? That is why till today I still love Trump, even though everybody is bashing him, but he still kept on his stand. He said that he knows about only two gender, male and female, and that is why none of these people want to vote him in, because if they vote him in, all those rights that transgender has is going to cut them off. Obama accepted it. For me, in terms of me, I would say it's political, because politicians, they want to do what the crowd loves, or what I don't know how to put it, but for me, I just feel it was political for him to actually stand with them 100%. So the thing is that, see, I'll say it again, transgender is not a thing in Nigeria. Gay is not a thing in Nigeria. It's not something you come out and popularly say that you are, or popularly come out and say you are proud of. You can hide in your bedroom and keep doing the thing you're doing behind. Nobody cares about it, but don't come out to the crowd and tell us that you have the right to do these things. No, it is not allowed. Go to the country, like Bob Bruce said, go to the country where it's allowed and get married. Go to the country where it's allowed and do the shit you want to do. But this in Nigeria, it is not allowed in Nigeria. Okay, and I love that, even though nothing's working in Nigeria. But you see this one, I love it. And these army people and these police people said they're going to prosecute them or whatever they're going to do to them.
For the press. Presently, we are at Ekpan police station at Uriye local government area of Delta State. On the 27th of August 2023, at about 21:00 hours, while patrol team attached to Ekpan police station were on patrol stroke visibility duty at the refinery road here in Uriye, they intercepted one Chuks Chinye, dressed, he happens to be a male, but he was dressed like a lady. Upon intercepting him, he told the policeman that he is an actor that came from Lagos State to shoot a movie here in Delta State. They brought him to the station and continued interrogating him before he now gave us a confessional statement that It belongs to the gay society, and they are having a ceremony at one hotel called Tibulus Hotel along Refinery Road here in Ekpan. At about 0200 hours, that is at the midnight of 28th of August 2023, the policemen stormed the hotel where about 200 suspects were initially arrested. Majority of them all dressed like females. And the funniest part of it, or rather the amazing part of it, was that we saw two suspects dressed, one as the bride and one as the groom, as you can see. And there is a video recording where they were actually performing their wedding ceremony. After screening them, we have about 67 suspects that we are parading today. We are still investigating, and I want to assure Deltans and Nigerians that they will be charged to court soonest upon completion of investigation. We are bringing this out to the world to know, especially Nigerians. We are in Africa and we are in Nigeria. We cannot copy the Western world because we don't have the same culture. We don't have the same culture. We don't have the same tradition. In the year 2013, a bill was passed and approved that speak against this. And I'm telling you, the least sentence upon conviction, if found guilty, is 14 years imprisonment. Then for accomplices, that is, people who aid and abet these people, they go for 10 years imprisonment. So this is not something that will be allowed in Nigeria. It will never be tolerated. And the police, as the lead agency when it comes to internal security and also prosecution of all criminal offences, we cannot watch this folding our arms. And that was why the DPO and his men swung into action, arrested about 67 of them, and I can guarantee that they will be charged to court soonest, and we'll ensure that we secure conviction.
But the thing is that what I love about it is that actions were taken, and no generation or coming up ones who have already seen this and feel that is highly accepted is going to try that shit anymore. Okay, if you want to do it, can do your visa and relocate to the country where they'll make you king and queens of gay, or married queen and kings of gay. Okay, but not in Nigeria. Okay, it's not allowed. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. You can put that in the comment section whatever that is your suggestion. What do you think about this video? Do you think the police people would have let them to live their lives, because everybody has the right to live their lives? Yeah, everybody has the right to live their lives, but not in this type of life in Nigeria. We are against it. Okay, so what do you think? What do you think? Okay, even Bobrisky too is against it, so I don't know. He's against it. Oh boy, they try to come in hand for the shit to make them not come in house go arrest him. Okay, because in as much as he's their queen, he didn't tell them to go and get married. Just be doing your thing and be making your money. That is the way he has put himself. If you come to him now, he say he has a girlfriend. We don't know and we don't care to know. But the thing is that he's doing it inside his house. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and if you have anything to say in the comment section, kindly put down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.